Hey YouTube, I've been requested a do a Kenny Chesney song, but I'll do it after this one. It's by my buddy, the Bread Guy. But this song here, I wanted to do real quick, so wish me luck.
Are you still here, or did you leave and come back?
I left and came back. Hadn't had a good time since you know when. Got talked into hooking out with hoes you were standing. I'm feeling like myself for the first time in a long time. I bumped into some of your friends over there talking to mine. Then you rode in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, just your side had my heart storming. Moon went hiding, stars were shining, rain was driving, thunder, lightning, in my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. It was gonna be a long night. The moment when like that song must get all last. I'm talking about us again. You know, I just laid my drink down and just walked out. I wouldn't be in my truck driving us to your house. Then she rode in with her hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your sign had my heart storming. Moon went hiding, stars quit shining, dream was driving, thunder, lightning, wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. Yeah, hit me like a hurricane. We're doing a 5 mile. We're waiting, nothing. Now, with some lights. Then you rode in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. Moon went hiding, stars quit shining, rain was driving, thunder, lightning, wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.